Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee. We have started free mock test series and today the topic is Criminal Procedure Code, Jurisdiction, Initiation of Proceedings and Complaints to Magistrate. We are going to cover 3 chapters from the Code of Criminal Procedure. In these chapters there are few sections which are important and we will be discussing questions from all those chapters. Starting with the first, when the offence is committed partly in one area and partly in another, it may be tried by a court having jurisdiction. The correct answer is C, over any of the local area. तो अगर एक से ज़्यादा एरिया में ऑफेंस हुआ है तो उसको किसी भी एरिया में ट्राई किया जा सकता है. सेक्शन 178 of CrPC talks about place of inquiry or trial when it is uncertain in which of the several local areas an offence was committed, or where an offence is committed partly in one local area and partly in another, or where an offence is a continuing one and continues to be committed in more local areas than one, or where it consists of several acts done in different local areas. It may be inquired into or tried by a court having jurisdiction over any of such local areas. Question number 2. Any offence of kidnapping or abduction of a person may be inquired into or tried by a court within whose jurisdiction the person was kidnapped, conveyed, concealed, detained, or any of the above. Correct answer is E, any of the above. This is given under section number 181 of Criminal Procedure Code, place of trial in case of certain offences. Question number 3. Where 2 or more courts have taken cognizance of the same offence and the question arises as to which of them ought to inquire into or try that offence, the question shall be decided if the courts are not subordinate to the same High Court. The correct answer here is option A, by the High Court within the local limits of whose appellate jurisdiction the proceedings were first commenced. तो अगर 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा कोर्ट ने कॉग्निजेंस ले लिया है किसी ऑफेंस में और वो दोनों कोर्ट्स अलग अलग हाई कोर्ट के सबऑर्डिनेशन में हैं, तो उस केस में कौन सा कोर्ट उसको ट्राई करेगा ये हाई कोर्ट डिसाइड करेगा जिसके लोकल लिमिट्स में वो कोर्ट की प्रोसीडिंग्स सबसे पहले स्टार्ट हुई थी. ये आपका दिया हुआ है सेक्शन नंबर 186 ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड. अगर दोनों कोर्ट्स सेम हाई कोर्ट के सबऑर्डिनेट में हैं, इन दैट केस हाई कोर्ट डिसाइड करेगा कि किस कोर्ट में वो कंटिन्यू किया जाएगा. Question number 4. When an offence is committed outside India by a citizen of India, whether on high seas or elsewhere, he may be tried in India, he cannot be tried in India, he can be tried only by International Court of Justice. The correct answer here is A, he may be tried in India. ये आपका section 188 of Criminal Procedure Code में दिया हुआ है. When an offence is committed outside India by a citizen of India, whether on the high seas or elsewhere, or by a person not being a citizen on any ship or aircraft registered in India, he may be dealt with in respect of such offence as if it had been committed at any place within India at which he may be found. Question number 5. Who among the following can take cognizance of any offence as per section 190 of the Criminal Procedure Code? Magistrate of first class, magistrate of second class specially empowered, chief judicial magistrate both A and B, all ABC. Correct answer is A and B. ये आपका सेक्शन नंबर 190 में बताया हुआ है कॉग्निजेंस ऑफ ऑफेंसेस कौन करेगा. मैजिस्ट्रेट ऑफ फर्स्ट क्लास कैन टेक कॉग्निजेंस ऑफ ऑफेंसेस, मैजिस्ट्रेट ऑफ सेकंड क्लास स्पेशली एम्पावर्ड कैन टेक कॉग्निजेंस. अब कॉग्निजेंस कैसे लिया जा सकता है? अपॉन रिसीविंग अ कंप्लेन ऑफ फैक्ट्स व्हिच कॉन्स्टिट्यूट सच ऑफेंस, अपॉन अ पुलिस रिपोर्ट और अपॉन इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव फ्रॉम एनी पर्सन अदर देन अ पुलिस ऑफिसर, या फिर सुओ मोटो भी, और अपॉन हिज ओन नॉलेज दैट सच ऑफेंस हैज बीन कमिटेड. Question number 6. Can Court of Session take cognizance of any offence as court of original jurisdiction? Here, the correct answer is C, yes, if the case is committed to it by a magistrate. तो अगर जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट ऑफ फर्स्ट क्लास या सेकंड क्लास ने कमिट कर दिया है कोई केस टू द कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन, देन द कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन कैन टेक कॉग्निजेंस. Otherwise, the Court of Session cannot take cognizance of any offence. ये आपका सेक्शन नंबर 193 of CrPC में दिया हुआ है cognizance of offences by Court of Session, except as otherwise expressly provided by this code or by any other law for the time being in force. No Court of Session shall take cognizance of any offence as a court of original jurisdiction. तो original jurisdiction में खुद नहीं ले सकते unless and until the case has been committed to it by a magistrate under this code. Question number 7. The provisions of section 195 of CrPC require 195 of CrPC require a complaint in writing. 195 of CrPC is prosecution for contempt of lawful authority of public servants, for offences against public justice, and for offences relating to documents given in evidence. तो अगर ऐसा कोई ऑफेंस हो रहा है, कोई ऐसा अबेटमेंट हुआ है, अटेम्प्ट हुआ है, क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी हुई है, तो एक्सेप्ट ऑन अ कंप्लेन इन राइटिंग ऑफ पब्लिक सर्वेंट कंसर्न और ऑफ सम अदर पब्लिक सर्वेंट टू whom he is administratively subordinate, the cognizance of such offence cannot be taken. Question number 8. If a complaint in writing is made to a magistrate who is not competent to take cognizance of the offence, तो उस केस में he will return it for presentation to the proper court with an endorsement. ये आपका सेक्शन नंबर 201 ऑफ CrPC में दिया हुआ है. प्रोसीजर बाय मजिस्ट्रेट नॉट competent to take cognizance of the case. If complaint is made to a magistrate who is not competent to take cognizance of the offence, he shall, if the complaint is in writing, return it for presentation to the proper court with an endorsement to that effect, and if it is not in writing, direct the complainant to the proper court. तो ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस थे CrPC के चैप्टर्स जुरिस्डिक्शन, इनिशिएशन ऑफ प्रोसीडिंग्स एंड कंप्लेंट टू द मजिस्ट्रेट. आई होप यू गॉट अ गुड रिविजन. अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेरी है, कोई भी डाउट है, आप नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉल अस ऑन दिस नंबर विच इज मेंशन्ड ऑन द स्क्रीन. LegalBee helps you prepare 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Make the best use of this free mock test series for your revision of various concepts. Thank you.